Welcome back to this wonderful course. In this video, we'll be talking about team libraries. What this basically means is libraries that you can share components or reusable components where your teammates can also access it. So for example, to give an example, I'm just going to open these icons in Figma. Yes, it's still loading. Let's give it a minute. Basil icons. I just saw this online. Let me search it now. I think they have one of the wonderful icons I frequently use. Yeah, Basil icons. So I'm just going to open this in Figma. Giving it time to load. Out of my network speed today. So as that's loading, let's keep checking out many other one from I like. Okay, navbar icons. I open that too. As that's loading, okay, yeah, Basil icon is done. So basically, it's asking me to download the icon that is not accessible in Figma. So you can just click get for free, sign up with your username and password, or authorize Google sign up. Then you'll be able to have access to all of the icons. For now, I'll go back to the 5,000 plus icon sets. So I'll just click one and create components from there. So once I go to my asset folder, as you can see, all the local components are there for me to access. Yes, so for the basic nav bar versus pro navigation bar, let me zoom in. Okay, this, I love this. And also this, they're looking good. Everything is looking good. So, okay, they're already components already. As you can see, the color changed. They're already local components. And I search them, as you can see, they're already there. Yes. So when I go back to the previous responsive landing page, you can see when I click my assets, you can see some certain icons that I've added. This was not here before, when, if you can remember, when I was creating the tools section. So some of them that are used in this file are noted in the section used in this file. So for user interface, you can see the icons just generally added up to my design. So then I can also add some further icons like the login icon. I can just add it to my navbar. These are a few things I can add to style up my design. So when it comes to the libraries, I don't know why mine is not showing. Okay, team settings, enable libraries and team settings. I tried this. I don't know why it's not showing, but on a paid version, this libraries is where any file that I might share in my components, and I move it to team libraries, or I give access to team libraries. Anybody that I share this Figma file to will have access to those components too. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. That's if you're working with a team remotely and you don't want to stress them to go and be looking for all these icons, you can just download them, create components, and share it in your team libraries. Yeah, that's just basically what this means. So as you can see, my settings have been in glitch. I don't know why it's giving me that error, but that's basically how to share your components, reusable components, throughout your Figma design file to your team libraries. This is very important when you guys are designing a huge project where you don't want to be stressing yourself looking for icons every time. Just drag in the components. You can group them maybe to navbar, footer, what have you. Then you share it to your team libraries, and it's going to pop up whenever another user comes in to check that particular design file and maybe wants to reuse a certain thing in the navbar or in the footer, as I earlier said. So don't mind me going through all this. That's basically what team libraries means. See you guys in the next video.